baby bird. We have three, I don't know if you can see it. Got 3 baby bird eggs. The mama bird laid him at our door. This is the back of the door. Back of the door. There they are again. Baby birds. And this is what the mama bird made. Is on the wreath. So we're trying to be careful. Because if we're not careful, here's some eggs. A couple of eggs that fell. So anyway, Maddie and Savannah. This is where that bird laid its egg. And now I'm going to show you Billy, the bullfrog. See him right there? We had him when he was a little baby. Right there. He's now getting big. He just likes to hang out. This is his house right here. This is our pond. And last night he was up on one of these brick walls hunting. And we got Sammy Snail here somewhere. There he's in between one of those bricks. But anyway, that is Billy the bullfrog. We'll talk to you guys soon. Grandma's on her way there.